Hello guys, welcome to Strides once again, and here we are with some of the examples, some of the exercises related to reported speech. Here we are just considering those statements which are related to the rule 1, 2 and 3. That means in case when the reporting verb, what is the tense of the reporting verb, according to that what will be the changes in the quoted words related to that we have taken the examples. And now throughout this thing we'll solve few sentences in which all the tenses will be considered. Okay, present and past as well as futures. Now but before starting it, I would definitely say that please do not forget to subscribe for the channel and like the channel. Okay, now here starting with the first sentence. He said, I compose a story daily to tell my students. Now, this is the simple present tense. Okay, present indefinite or simple present tense. Now, simple, as I told you in the rule 1, that what happens when the reported speech. Here, the reported speech in all the sentences are in past. So when the reported speech is in past, so what happens, that simple past changes into simple present changes into simple past, present continuous changes into past continuous, like this it goes. So here we are having the sentence in the simple present, so it will change into simple past. So he said, I compose a story daily to tell my students. So I compose a story, so this is simple present, it will change into simple past, so that it changes into composed. So he said that. In the third rule we have just discussed in the first video, that always after the reporting verb conjunction that is used. Okay, so he said that. Now for I, what will we use here? He, because the pronoun changes and it changes first person or second person, they all change into the third person. So he said that he composed a story daily to tell his students. Okay, so the pronoun changes and he composed a story daily. So this simple present changes into simple past, I changes into he. Okay, now let's see the next example. He said, I don't find my work very difficult. I don't find. Again, now this is the same tense, that means simple present, but the sentence is negative. So again we start with the same thing. He said that. Okay, now this don't is in present, simple present, so it will change into simple past, so it will change into didn't. He said that he didn't find his work very difficult. So the pronoun changes and the tense changes. Simple present changes into simple past. Sorry. Now the next one. The girl said, I am collecting flowers for the temple god. Now am collecting. What is the verb here? Present continuous. So present continuous will change into past continuous. So am collecting will change into was collecting, and the pronoun will change as the rule goes. So here the girl said that. Now since it is a girl, so here we will use she. The girl said that she was collecting. Present continuous changes into past continuous, so was collecting flowers for the temple god. Okay, like this it goes. Now the next one. She said, I am not having any problem to help you today. Now not having, again this is I am not having. Again this is present continuous, so it will change into past continuous. So she said that she was not having any problem to help me. This you changes into me, because I am talking about myself. Okay, help me today. Today changes into that day. That day. Okay, now the next one. We said we have arranged picnics for all of us every year. Now have arranged. What is this? Present perfect. Okay, now this present perfect will change into past perfect. So we said that have changes into had. We had arranged picnics for all of us every year. Okay, now the last one. He said, I haven't finished my work. Again, this is present perfect. Why? Because have is used here, but it is negative. So he said that. This have will change into again had. He said that he hadn't finished his work. Okay, so up to here we have converted the present up to present perfect tense. Now we continue with the present perfect continuous tense. So we did up to present perfect. Now we are starting with the present perfect continuous. They said we have been going for movies on every Sunday. Now have been going will change into had been going. Okay, present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. So they said that they had been going for movies on every Sunday. Okay, now the next one, the same tense but negative. We said we have never been wanting our participation in the tournament tomorrow. Now this will change into had never been wanting. Okay, so we said that we had never been wanting our participation in the tournament tomorrow. Okay, now here tournament tomorrow changes into, yes, it will change into the next day or the following day, whatever you wish to write. Okay, now he said I wrote a book. Now starts the past tense. Now this is past changes into past perfect. Okay, so he said that. Now this wrote will change into past perfect. So what will be right here? He said that. Yes, past perfect. What comes in past perfect? Had. Okay, so he had, and then wrote changes into the third form of the verb, and that is written. So he said that he had written a book. Okay, now the next one. Now again it is the past, simple past, but negative. Okay, she said she didn't want many friends to visit him. So now what do I do? I will change into she didn't want many friends to visit him. So here what will I change? She didn't want. This is the, yes, this is the simple past. Now we change it into negative. So what does it change into? She said that. She had never want many friends to visit him. Or what will I change into? Hadn't wanted. Yes, she said that she hadn't wanted hadn't wanted many friends to visit him. Him maybe is my brother or anyone, but we visit him. Okay. Now next is, he said the rain was falling heavily yesterday. Now was falling heavily stands for past continuous, so it will change into past perfect continuous. Okay, so he said that, what will it change into? He said that the rain had been falling. Okay, the rain had been falling, it changes into past perfect continuous, had been falling heavily. Now yesterday changes into the previous day. Okay, heavily the previous day. Okay, like this it goes. Now coming to the next type of sentences. Now after this comes, after past continuous, what comes? Past continuous again we will take, but a negative sentence. Okay, let's start with that. Yes, starting with the remaining tenses. Now this is past continuous, but it is a negative sentence. He said, I was not going for a walk. Okay, so was going will change into was not been going. Okay, he said, it will change into past perfect continuous. So he said that he was not been going for a walk. Okay, so past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Now Ram said, I will go to school tomorrow. Now which tense is this? Future. So future changes into future conditional. So this will change into would. Okay, so Ram said that he would go to school tomorrow. Now tomorrow changes into the next day. The next day. Okay. Now they said we cannot go for. Now again it is future but cannot. So it is a negative sentence. So they said we cannot go for a picnic the next week. Okay. So the next week changes into following week. Okay. So they said that. Okay, be changes into they, can changes into could, not go for a picnic the coming week or the following week. The following week. Okay, now next. The farmer says. Now here the thing changes, reported speech, reported verb. The reported verb is now in the present tense, and when the reported verb is in the present tense, then there is no change in the quoted words. Moreover, in the next sentence, William will say. So it is in future tense. So there will be no change in the tense of the quoted words. So here, how will we write? The other things will change. If there is any pronoun or something, then it will change, but the tense won't change. The farmer says. The farmer says that crops need good rain at the right time. Okay, nothing will change here. Now the next one, William will say, my mother doesn't allow me to go out alone. So here my mother does not allow, so doesn't, whatever tense it is, it will remain as it is, the pronouns will change. So William will say that my changes into his mother doesn't allow me changes into him to go out alone. Okay, So like this the tense changes in the past when the reporting verb is past. So present simple changes into past simple, present continuous changes into past continuous, present perfect changes into past perfect, and present perfect continuous changes into past perfect continuous. Past simple past changes into past perfect, and past continuous changes into past perfect continuous. And in case when the reporting verb is present, then there is no change in the quoted words. They remain as it is, only the pronouns changes and other things, that tense remains the change, okay, and the other things change as usual. Okay, I hope you understood now very well. The first video was related to this only, and now with the help of examples we have solved all the rules. We have gone through the rules, so I hope you understood it very well. Now don't forget to subscribe for the channel and do like it. Okay, thank you. In the next video we will just go through the other examples related to imperative sentences, related to exclamatory sentences, and commands, request, and all those things. Okay, so do follow us in the next video too. Okay, thank you.